numbers. النهاردة درسنا عن النمبرز. تعالوا بينا نتعرف على الأرقام مع بعض. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. وعشان كمان لما حد يجي يسألنا نعرف كمان نجاوبه. تعالوا بينا نلعب اللعبة الحلوة دي ونسألك كده كم عدد الحاجات أو نعمل counting معنى صح على الحاجات اللي موجودة دلوقتي. How many dinosaurs are there? 1 dinosaur. How many giraffes are there? 2 giraffes. How many hippos are there? 3 hippos. How many bees are there? 4 bees. How many bananas are there? 5 bananas. How many apples are there? 6 apples. How many donuts are there? 7 donuts. How many strawberries are there? 8 strawberries. How many fish are there? 9 fish. How many cats are there? 10 cats.
Singular and plural. Singular, 1 cat. Plural, 2 cats. Singular, 1 pen. Plural, 3 pens. Singular, 1 book. Plural, 5 books. I have 2 bags. I have 3 pencils.
How many books do you have?
Let's see. 1, 2.
3. There are 3 books.
Can you count the flowers? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flowers.
What else can you see?
There is 1 sun.
Allie, look. I have 5 apples. Do you want one?
Yes, please. I have 1 apple now. Thank you.